Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you what a week of the Sakara Life plant-based meal delivery looks like. I'm very excited to try this. It definitely is expensive if you do 3 meals a day for I think it's 5 days. Maybe it was 7, can't recall, but it is around $420. I did a little bit of research online and found a 15% off coupon, which turned this around to I think around $360. Definitely still a lot, but I just wanted to try it out and see what it was like. So, opening it up, it is very large package, of course. It says this week's menu. Has pretty much everything you need to know. Little mantra here, which is cool. Looks like a lot of it is better hot. This is just talking how to warm it up. A lot of them says in the oven. Cool. So, welcome to the Sakara Life, 100% plant-based. Alright. So then this has, of course, my address, and it tells me what meals are in here. So it looks like there are a total of 9 meals, 3 teas, and 1 beauty and detox concentrate, which I believe was an add-on, like a free add-on. And I believe these are just the first few days, and they give you a second delivery a few days later. Okay, so here is the inside. As you can see, everything is very clearly labeled when to eat it, which I love. It really makes it kind of idiot proof. So you can just pull it right out. Here is what the packaging on the inside looks like as far as keeping everything cool. It has these very unique ice packs, and it has instructions on how to dispose of them. They also are pretty good quality. Just for reference, this was basically overnighted from New York to me in Nevada, and they're still very solid, so probably great if you love to camp or anything outdoorsy. So here is everything laid out. So it only has Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and part of Friday, so they definitely are going to be giving a second delivery, which is what I thought, but I wasn't sure. So looking at these, I believe that they are extras. So if you would choose to do this again, you would have to purchase them, or at least I think so. So this is a beauty water concentrate. It has chlorophyll in it, which is really good. Then these are various detox teas. So I'm assuming it makes you shit. So hopefully they're good. I really love tea, so it's perfect for me. So just looking at these in order. So here is Tuesday. This is what I will be starting with today. It is a Tuesday right now. It's a bit of a salad with mushroom, which I love. So looking forward to that. On to Wednesday. There is a sapphire parfait with a superfood crunch. So that looks very interesting. For lunch, it is a black garlic burger with barbecue drizzle. I do work full time. I eat at work, so I hope that this warms up well in the microwave. Luckily, tomorrow I'm having lunch at home. And then for dinner, there are these ginger almond noodles. I'm a fan of ginger, so I'm excited. And these are pretty large portions, if you can tell kind of next to my hand here. Usually when I order these kinds of deliveries, they're very small, so that means it'll be filling, I hope. On to the Thursday breakfast. There is this muffin with coconut cream. Also came with this pink silk milk, which looks interesting. For lunch, we have beet ravioli with toasted broccolini. And the dinner is risotto with squash and balsamic tomatoes. I do aim to make a blog post with all these as well to kind of go into more detail as far as photos. And finally, here is the Friday. So it's just breakfast and lunch. So breakfast is this granola, which you would mix with the pink milk, which, oh, that was part of this. That wasn't with the Thursday one, my mistake. Then for lunch, here's the curry bowl. They did do it separate, which is great, so it doesn't get soggy. And there is the rice. So my assumption is that they will deliver my weekend meals on Friday. If not Friday, then probably Thursday. Since I have the lunch, obviously I would need dinner. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to kind of dive into this and see what I think. Here is the second portion. So this was indeed delivered Friday afternoon. This is just a list of the meals. I'm just gonna go through this. All right, so this is enough for Saturday and Sunday. There are 2 in each. I'm actually really, really enjoying this tea. It's really, really tasty. So Friday dinner, which is what I will be eating tonight, is this hand roll. I'm actually pretty nervous about that because I usually hate that kind of thing. So we'll see. And there's this broth. So Saturday breakfast, there is a roasted pear pancake with cinnamon banana butter. That sounds super interesting. For Saturday lunch, they give you the sexiest salad in NYC. I'm not really liking all of their salads. One of the ones I had was super earthy and I hated it, so hopefully this will be okay. Here is the Saturday dinner, a balancing macro plate with creamy avocado dressing. Then for Sunday breakfast, you have a matcha latte with matcha latte oatmeal. And then here is the Sunday lunch, which is the cooling cashew vermicelli with pink probiotic dressing. All right, well, that was all for my Sakara Life first unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, take a look out for some of my blogs, which will go into more detail on the food, and you can take a look for that in the description down below. See you next time.